Hi, I'm Steve Spiegel, Product Specialist for Jet-Lube. Today we'll be discussing Deacon Mold-Pac, damming, molding, and positioning putty. The original Deacon Mold-Pac can be used in about 90% of the applications. As you can see, this product is a flexible, Play-Doh-like consistency. Some of the common applications where it's typically used include for suppressing vibration. So if you had any type of parts that you're machining, a lot of times these could be thin-walled parts such as in the aerospace industry. This product can be used to absorb vibration. So if we were performing any type of cutting action on this part, in order to prevent any chattering from the part, what we would do is we would lay it directly onto the Deacon Mold-Pac. This would allow us to go ahead and continue machining the part, avoiding any type of chatter, and then we'd go ahead and we could flip it over. If it was a part in the aerospace industry, they could flip it over and then run the other side. Another common application where this product's being used is as a damming compound. So what the customer would do would be to form a dam with this product into any desired size or shape that they need. And then they could go ahead and pour their liquid in here. It could be water, it could be epoxy, it could be Babbitt, it could be lead. We're going to go ahead and just use water. Now after you would form your mold, you would go ahead and pour directly into it. If this was Babbitt, it's going to pour at approximately 600 degrees and begin to cool. So as that begins to solidify, you can allow that to cool down, and then what would happen is you'd be able to peel the mold pack away and you can reuse it as well. If you're pouring something that's going to be a higher molten alloy such as zinc, we recommend using Mold-Pac HD. Now Mold-Pac HD is a little bit thicker, it's more dry than the original Deacon Mold-Pac. Typically the regular Mold-Pac's used for all the applications, except once you get into something like zinc, you'd want to go ahead and use this product. Now if you're dealing with a harsh chemical environment, if you're pouring any type of mineral oil, any type of dielectric fluid, could be doing something in the EDM process where you need to retain some type of synthetic oil, that's when we recommend using Mold-Pac EDM. As you can see, this product is stickier than the original Mold-Pac. It's more kind of like a chewing gum consistency. So any type of application where you need to have a product that has extreme chemical resistance, this product would be used. It can also be used as a high temperature adhesive as well. For more information on Deacon Mold-Pac, please visit our website at jetlube.com. Thank you.